Stop guessing if student passed or failed. With just one Python if statement, you can check it instantly. Let me show you how you can do it. Yes, guys, first step is variable declaration. For example, let us write max equal to, and remember we should cast this max into integer. That's why we need to use int casting, then use input function like this one, input enter max, like this one, enter max. Because once we ignore this casting, this will be string, but once we use this integer here, we cast it or convert it into integer, right? So this message is one asking user to enter max. Then after this, we just need to develop our if statement. If max greater than or equal to 50, in this case we'll print pass, like this, right? So let us run it to check an output. What you need to do is just come and click on this run icon and wait a little bit. As you see here, you can now enter our max. For example, let us enter 70. Do you see? Passed, because this max is greater than 50. So you can cancel it and run it again. You click on run here, and then, for example, let us enter 40. In this case, we'll print nothing because our condition is already failed. And remember, this if statement is used to check if something is true, just true. That's why you print statement if and only if our condition is true. We print pass if and only if our max entered is greater than or equal to 15, otherwise we print nothing. That's why here we print nothing. So thank you so much for watching this video. If this video is helpful for you, please don't miss subscribe, like this video, and share it to your colleagues so that they can also learn with us these coding tips. So see you in the next lesson.